Hi, I'm Dantti, and this is a quick and easy way to extract color palettes from your image. You can make your color palettes anywhere, but I'm going to use paletton.com for this one. First, create your palette. Once you're happy, go to table/export. Choose color swatches and choose as PNG image. Select the biggest one and save it to your hard drive. Open up Blender 2.83 or above. I'm going to choose 2D animation. Select Rendering tab and select Image menu and open up your palette image. Now, select the Image menu again and press Extract Palette. You can go back to 2D Animation tab. You can find your palette in Active Tool Settings under Color and Palette. You need to be in Vertex Paint mode or use Tint tool to select these palettes. You can also use these palettes to color 3D objects in Texture Paint and Vertex Paint modes. If you want to make regular grease pencil materials from your palette, go back to Rendering tab and choose Generate Grease Pencil. Now you have an image where you can extract the stroke colors and fills with each shortcut and choose the color. Thanks for watching.